This battery is probably dead. The Massey Harris has been sitting for a while. Hay rake, or horse rake, and Charlotte angrily staring at me on the green quad. So, what gear are we in first?
There's a body panel loose on that thing.
Where?
On the front.
Oh yeah, the hood? Yeah, it's fine. Okay. That thing sat for a while. It was almost a month, wasn't it? Two weeks ago, yeah, so roughly 2 weeks. That was a pretty good cold start, if I do say so myself. All right. Oh, and of course it's in neutral. Let's see if I can get the clutch to work. See that little thing there that's still spinning? That means the clutch is not working. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Second key. There we go. Now that thing's not spinning, clutch is working, in gear. I'm just gonna move it a little bit for fun. That's good enough. Now the clutch is released, that thing spins again. Key off. Didn't even need choke. Good tractor.